Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, here I am at Big Lots and we're gonna do a walkthrough. Come on with me, guys. Look at all of their beautiful items. I absolutely love Big Lots. I haven't been here in a while, but we're gonna enjoy this video, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. Now always remember that every time you click the like button and full watch a video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. Commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.